There is a saying by the Holy Prophet that we should not keep the dogs inside the house. There is a logic that there is one parasite which is transmitted from the dogs to the humans if they keep it in their house, and it can form a cyst and later it can cause other complications. Similarly, there is a saying by our elders that we should not eat the pig meat, the pork's meat, because there is a parasite, namely Taenia solium, which is a little smaller than the Taenia saginata, and when the pork meat is ingested, then it causes certain complications. It also forms a cyst which is present in the lungs, in the liver, in the bone, and other organs. And it also is transferred to the brain. In some cases, it forms a cyst inside the brain, which causes symptoms like dementia, vomiting, and things like that. And then there is another complication that among these cases, which the larvae go to the brain, uh, it causes carcinoma of the brain. This is one of the scientific reasons that we have been forbidden to eat pork. Apart from the reasons that pork or pig is an animal which doesn't have any regard for its relations. One female pork, if it is standing, then there are many males which are around her and nobody is bothered. And we see that the people who eat pork, they lose their modesty and they don't have any grudge against the other fellows. So it happens in the Western population and the people who eat meat like that. And it again explains the theory haram and halal, which are the legitimate and illegitimate things forbidden by the divine law. If we eat the things which are forbidden by the divine law, then we are prone to have certain complications. It has been said that we should not eat the meat of the same species as we are confronting a disease like mad cow disease. It's caused by prions. Prions are not viruses, but they are like viruses, they are not living, and they cause the disease mad cow, in which there is demyelination of the brain cells, which leads to dementia and other complications of the brain. It happens in people who eat the flesh of the humans in the African peninsula, in certain populations, and in certain areas of the Hindu population. There are sadhus which eat the flesh of the humans for their internal spiritual, they call it spiritual upbringing, and which they use it in black magic. So certainly there are limitations and there are some benefits that we get from eating the things, not eating the things which have been forbidden. Similarly, in the Hindu black magic, they use the ashes of the dead bodies and they use it for black magic. And in that ashes, we have the prions, the flesh of the human, the ash. It contains the proteins of the humans and which cause the same symptoms as I have explained with the prion. It needs to be ascertained that a research should be conducted on this matter. Recently in our population also, we have been exposed to the meat of the donkeys and other animals. And similarly, the population which use so many animals which are not legitimate in the divine law, they have so many complications. And it is thought that the flesh of the animal or the type of the animal which you eat, it is bound to produce the same habits and physical features in the human